Hey guys, so I'm gonna give a little explanation on how I worked on my son's Spider-Man costume. This is the spider that I put on his shirt. Now, the best thing is that we already had a shirt that we wanted to use for this whole costume, so it worked out perfectly. Did not have to spend anything besides buying some sweats for him, which was easy at Walmart. So what I did here was I got this spider from Google. I did a stencil and then I copied it on felt and cut it out. Then I used this to stick it onto his shirt with the mask. What I did was I also found a template on Google which you can easily just print out and cut out. I did that and I used red felt for his mask. So this is exactly what I did. This is permanent marker I used, and then this is a little bit of the black felt that I had from the spider, and I just used some to put a little bit around the eyes so it pops out a little bit more and just gives it more of that cool feeling. And then since I actually had some red felt left over, I did a few little wristbands. Did that one. And I also did this one, so it's a web and then a spider. Now, what I also bought to make the mask was this elastic band. I got everything from Joann's, but I glued it, hot glued it in the back for his wristbands, and I also hot glued it for his mask, which will be what he will be wearing. But yeah, so far this is my son's Spider-Man costume, and I will be also doing my daughter's Minnie Mouse skirt and my son's shark. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the little Minnie Mouse costume that I made for my daughter. It was honestly the easiest choice that she could have made for me. I do have Minnie ears that I got from Disneyland myself, so she will be wearing this. She will also be wearing a long black long sleeve shirt and some leggings. So the only thing that I really needed to make for her was this skirt. She already had the skirt and it already had this little silver embellishments on it, so I kind of just had to work with it because I could not find something that was just simple and pink or simple and red, which would have gone better with the ears, but you know, we just got to work with it. So what I did was I had already white felt. I just cut it out in round spots and then I hot glued them to the back of it. Very easy, literally just hot glued them all over her skirt. So she has some in the front, she has some in the back, so very easy for my youngest girl to wear. So this will be her costume. So the last one I'm working on is my son's shark hoodie. Now let me tell you, it was so hard to find matching jacket and pants. I actually just found this yesterday and it's pretty cool because it already kind of has like these marks. I have yet to finish it. I'm actually going to finish it right now, but I'm just going to explain to you guys a little bit of what I'm doing. I actually found all of these ideas on Pinterest, and let me tell you, Pinterest has always been a lifesaver for creative ideas. So I'm just taking it and doing this. So this is the fin, which will be attached to the back of his hoodie, kind of like this. I'm still trying to figure out if I will stuff it or not, or if I would just leave it this way. Now, the next part is the teeth. So the hoodie part is actually the main part of this costume. I realized it's here will be the tummy. So basically what I would be doing is putting some white felt at the section of the stomach for the belly part, and that will be the shark's belly. And at the top I will actually be putting a black piece of felt for the eyes right here in this area. And in the inside I'm actually going to be putting this for the inside of the mouth, and here are its teeth. So each part will take about two pieces of this, and all I did was simply cut this out. My sister actually made it by hand. She helped me out in this section, and I would like to thank you for it. So shout out to Perla for helping me with this. And basically 2 pieces will go on this side, just like this, and the mouth will go like this. And basically what we'll do is it'll go in this interior section of the hoodie, and that way when he puts it on, it looks like he has shark teeth, and his eyes will be outside. So again, this will be his shark costume, which I'm working on today, and you guys will all see the finished product very soon.
Oh!
No looking.
Turn to your left, Mariah. There you go.
You can't go.